Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back with a special recipe. This is called chicken gizzards fry. These chicken gizzards come for the price of a chicken, and when you cook them they do taste like a mutton. Isn't that interesting guys? So with not any further delay, let's get into the recipe. Coming to the cleaning process, I've cleaned them with salt and turmeric powder under the running water. After cleaning, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of salt again and put it on the stove and start cooking for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the chicken gizzards ooze out the water from them. This water takes away the raw non-veg smell from the gizzards, so this water has to be strained away. So now let's add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masala to them and cook them until there's no single drop of water left and keep them aside. Now take a pan, heat it and add 5 to 6 spoons of oil. Since this is chicken gizzards fry, we are taking more oil here. Now into the oil, add cinnamon sticks and 1 spoon of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds give very good aroma to the oil. Now add 2 cardamom pods here, and now I'm adding 2 kind of herbs here. One is rosemary and the other one is allspices leaf. Now you can replace the allspices leaf with a bay leaf also. I have cut the one allspice leaf into pieces here. You can add the whole leaf also. Now for those who don't know how an allspices leaf and a rosemary leaf looks like, here I'm adding a pick of these herbs for you. Now after the herbs, we are adding 2 sliced onions here. Saute them till they turn light brown color. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So now once the onions turn brown color, now it's time to add the chicken gizzards. After adding chicken gizzards, you need to cook for another 10 minutes. until you're not left out with any single water drop in the recipe. It has to be fully dried. After 10 minutes, you can add the chopped coriander, now the recipe is done. It's time to dish out and serve hot. This recipe goes very well with rice, dal, rasam and sambar. So you can use it like a starter with soups also. If you like the recipe, please like, share and comment and hit the bell icon for further notifications from this channel. Thank you so much.